Hey folks, today is February the 25th. It's currently 6:05 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our CopyVic week number, week number 3 live testing review. If you guys recall, last week we had a small loss of 0.86%, and the week before that we had an even smaller loss of 0.20%. This week has been pretty volatile with everything going on with Russia and Ukraine, and let's go ahead and jump in and see how we did. As you guys can see here, at one point this week we were up very nicely, and it looks like as we got further on into the week we dropped considerably here. Right now overall we're down 1.09% over the past 3 weeks here, but I know by Monday we had already earned the $50 a person would need to pay for the service. I do recall that. And Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm pretty sure at some point this account was up, I want to say 4 or 5%. So this account was up overall. Very nice. It's just the end of the week. It really got us here. Let's go ahead and jump in and take a look. Okay, so at one point we were up 5.83%. So actually pretty close to 6% this week before the market taking its due and taking back and getting us right back down to around the break-even level. And as we can see here, 0.68%, that equals to $6.81. So we're still right around that break-even level. And as you can see, overall for the month of February, we're now down just 1.09%. We'll take a look at any trades here once we jump into the VPS. But first and foremost, let's go ahead, take a look here and see what happened this week as far as news goes. And as we can see, not really much on Monday other than German flash manufacturing PMI. Tuesday we had NZD official cash rate. And let's see here, Wednesday, not a whole lot there. Thursday we had prelim GDP. And on Friday we had core durable goods out of the US here. All right. I want to, before I forget, I don't think I did it last week, so I want to make sure I do that this week. I'm pretty sure at some point this week their growth was up over 10% or around that area. But let's go ahead and check out the account here. If you click on view signal, I know I did it in one of the previous videos, but we can come up here and you can see at some point they were up 10.28%. And this is the master account. So they were definitely up nicely. What's that, the 22nd? So Tuesday, like I said, as we got closer to the end of the week, things started to go the other way for us here. And you can always come in here, click on trade history, and you can see exactly what happened with the trades. And I do want to keep an eye on these US 30 trades, and I'll show you why after we jump into the VPS here. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so as we can see, we have no trades open going into the weekend. And Vic did mention that he was going to start trading gold in US 30. And as you can see, we have gold trades, but I was not able to get any of the US 30 trades. And let's take a quick peek here. All right, if you're not getting the US 30 trades, you can increase your slippage to 10. I normally wouldn't recommend this, but the spread slippage is all over the place for indices lately, especially with everything going on in the world. I have not done that yet, so I'm assuming that's most likely why I didn't get any US 30 trades. But we did, like I said, get gold trades. We got one gold trade here, another gold trade here, and the first day of the week was the 21st. So let's go ahead and pull this up a little bit. All right, so we actually closed out quite a few trades this week. Heck of a lot of trades, actually. All right, so the 22nd and the 21st, things were going extremely well. And you can see we closed out a lot of trades in profit. Now, when we got to the 23rd, 24th areas, we start to see some of these larger hits. There was one other large one here, the 23rd, $16, $29, $10, $10, $10. You know, so some of these larger losses started to take their toll for us. And a lot of our wins were, under $1 here. plenty of them are, 8, 6, 8, but there are also some that were under $1. So those large losses, like I said, really started to catch up with us, and we couldn't get our heads above water on this particular trading week, unfortunately. And we come over here, and Vic actually made mention of this. 10% came and went just as quickly, so we're back to break even. Risk management has definitely kept us alive this February, especially with all the major market disruptions going on. So due to the lack of results and horrible market conditions, I'll officially be extending everyone's subscription for 1 month as promised. All right, so that's definitely something good for us. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. All right, so that's just something to keep in mind. We are trading in some pretty remarkable, I don't say remarkable in a good way, I mean just kind of, out there market conditions right now with a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. All right, let's come back here and we can check the video. I think we had one comment. All right, so Tommy Robson, thank you so much for being, I think, the first person to comment their results here. Not a great week, but trading has been well dodgy this week, so I'm sure Vic will pick up soon. And this was 5 days ago, so most likely last week's results. Definitely let me know how things have gone for you this week. I'm assuming that everybody's going to be down a touch this week. You can see here 0.68 for me, so let me know how things went for you and your account this week. All right, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the CopyVic Trade Copier, let me know, or you can ask them in the comments section, and I'm sure Vic will come through and answer those for you. And if you want to, you can leave your results at the bottom. And again, to actually look into the service, you can just visit CopyVic.com, as you can see here, CopyVic.com, and that'll take you to the site, get all the information there, and you can follow along. And as always, we report on the results, whether they are bad, whether they are good, whether they are break even, regardless of what they are. I'm going to share the results with you guys. So next week is going to be the halfway point. Next week will be the 4-week mark. And so hopefully we can get that first, excuse me, I'm over here looking at this telegram here, but hopefully we can get that first winning week here. All right, so I will see you guys next week. Fingers crossed we get that first winning week with all the craziness going on in the world, folks, here. So, again, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on March the 4th. Take care, folks.